So one thing that I've been learning lately is that canning has become my meal prep. Excuse the mess in here. The kids helped me put some of the canned stuff away, or the jars, and right now we only have one shelf, so it's kind of a mess. They just put stuff wherever they can fit it, but I'm coming down to get soup for Jake. He is hungry and it's 10:30, so we are gonna get him some soup and go upstairs warm it up for him. Some small jars of bone broth that I just made. If I just need a little bit, there's 2 cups and a pint, and then my quart jars have 4 cups in them. I've been trying to drink that more often. I actually have some warming up upstairs. So the best part about this is Jake can run downstairs, get a can of soup, and then make his own lunch at 10:30 in the morning. All right, you ready? Go ahead and show him.
So, guys, I'm gonna take my jar of soup. It is chicken soup with healthy. This is a bone broth. Just have to open it.
Those lids got really tight, huh? Okay.
Yeah. I'm just gonna take off the lid and open it up. Now, the soup is chicken soup. It's chicken and bone broth, and other vegetables and stuff. Eat them ourselves. Like, yeah, just do them. Trying to get it out. Like, Tina. Trying to put this down and turn and stuff, and that's right.
All right, you gonna get a spoon, mix it up?
Just take a spoon, you can like mix it if you want to. Just mix it around.
Let's see.
A good idea. Nice thing to do.
And while he's making soup, I'm drinking some bone broth that I heated up just a few minutes ago. And he stole my bone broth. So one of the great things about this is not only is it healthier than store-bought, but I also have this jar, and I will wash it, put it back downstairs, put the rim back downstairs, and then next time I'm gonna make it, I just sanitize my jars and I can use it all over again, so it's a lot less waste.
So guys, I'm turning it off because it is very, very hot.
Hey, did that take a long time?
No, it did not take a long time.
So it's nice and hot?
Yes.
And Jake made it all by himself?
Yeah, but I didn't make like the vegetables.
Right, but you made your own lunch today, huh?
Yeah, I just heated it up for 5 minutes maybe.
Yep, 5 minutes. I
Probably
made that lunch.
25.
No, not 25.
Yeah.
And the other great thing is everything's fully cooked, so we don't have to worry about any of that. It's just if it's warm enough that he likes it.
Bone broth in there. I like bone broth.
All right, you gonna go get a bowl?
So guys, can you see here is this is a potato. You can probably tell from the looks, and it's good. We've grown it from our garden.
No, that one's from the store.
Store?
Yeah. That's okay. We're gonna grow more potatoes in our garden this year.
And then we have this chicken. We grow these chickens. Get them. If you see one video, we will talk about our chickens, and you can see how big they are. This is a part of them. This is meat off of them. So it's healthy, it's good.
All right, what else you got in there?
Since there is a carrot, store-bought carrot from a Happy Cow. It's a Christian farm, so a Christian is someone who believes on Jesus, because Jesus can make you grow up. He will save you and you'll go up to heaven one day.
All right, enjoy your lunch, buddy.
Bye.
Jake wasn't going to share his soup because he was going to eat the whole thing. He did not eat the whole thing. It's so filling. Probably 3 or 4 kids can eat out of one jar. And it just makes an awesome, really quick lunch.